So more often than not, purchasing a luxury vehicle can come at a cost, lack of reliability and higher maintenance costs. So I decided to create a video featuring 5 reliable luxury cars you can buy for less than $10,000. What's up guys, I'm Christian and this is Vehicle of Hours. If you end up liking the video, make sure to subscribe for more future automotive content. Now, let's begin. The first car is the 5th generation Lexus ES350. For many years in a row, the ES was Lexus' best-selling model. It shares the same basic platform engineering with the Toyota Camry, and thanks to it, it holds the same dependability that made the Camry a winner. The ES350 is geared towards the comfort and luxury segment, favoring a soft ride over a sporty performance, meaning it's not really a driving enthusiast type of car. This is a car that's made to travel the country. Its low-effort steering and quiet operation makes it perfect for those looking for a premium mid-size sedan. Talking about quiet operation, road noise hardly makes its way into the cabin. The ES350 has more insulation than a recording studio. Well, maybe not that much, but you get the point. When it comes to engine performance, you won't be disappointed. The ES350 produces smooth, creamy power thanks to its 3.5-liter V6 engine that pushes 272 horsepower and 254 pound-feet of torque. Some key standard features include super comfortable plush leather interior, a rear retractable sunshade, and a full-size spare tire. Wait, what? That's right, a full-size spare tire. Definitely a rare feature nowadays. If driving involvement is low on your list of buying features and you see a car as just something that gets you from point A to point B, then the isolated luxury that the Lexus ES350 provides might just be for you. The next car is the 2008 Acura TL. In my opinion, this was one of Acura's best creations along with the NSX and the RSX. I sure do miss the RSX. Do you think Acura should bring back the RSX? Forbes had listed the TL as one of the best luxury cars for the buck, noting that it was one of the least expensive cars for running costs at any price. It's reliable, cheap to maintain, and also carries an impressive 3.2-liter engine that produces 258 horsepower and 233 pound-feet of torque. It can do a 0 to 60 in just 6.5 seconds. If you manage to get lucky, you might even be able to find a Type S variant that can push a 0 to 60 1 full second faster at 5.5 seconds. One thing that I have read from current owners is that you might experience a bit of torque steer due to the TL being a front-wheel drive car. Gas mileage is decent, 18 miles per gallon in the city and 26 miles per gallon in the highway. That said, no matter which TL you find out there, you'll be able to find them with lots of goodies since the only optional equipment at the time was the navigation system, which also includes the backup camera. Notable standard equipment includes a surround sound system, power moonroof, HID headlamps, leather seating, power front seats, and hands-free Bluetooth functionality. I was able to find many 2008 Acura TLs for as low as $6,500 with a little bit over 100,000 miles on them, and as much as $9,800 with less than 100,000 miles on it. You can find the newer body style versions for less than $10,000 as well, but with more miles. If you're looking for a vehicle that has a great mix of a car that is fun to drive, comfort, and quality, then you won't be disappointed with the Acura TL. Third car is a 2009 to 2012 Infiniti G37. This is pretty much a sports car wrapped in a luxury package. In my opinion, the G37 looks beautiful from any angle. It's actually my favorite choice from this list. It's available in a sedan, a coupe, and even a retractable hardtop convertible, available in both automatic and manual transmissions. You get a well laid out interior with sports style seats that offer a more aggressive bolstering. In fact, the bolster is adjustable, that way you can customize how snug you want to fit. A pretty cool feature about the interior is the way that the steering wheel adjusts. Not only does the steering wheel adjust like many other cars out there, but the gauge cluster also goes up and down with the adjustment. Now that's unique. Oh, and did I mention that this is the fastest luxury car on the list? It carries a powerful 3.7-liter V6 engine that produces 328 horsepower and 270 pound-feet of torque. And of course, thanks to its power, gas mileage isn't the best. 18 miles per gallon in the city and 26 miles per gallon in the highway. Not the best, but also not the worst. Fun fact, apparently G37's exterior came equipped with something Infiniti called Scratch Shield paint. Apparently it's supposed to heal small scratches made to the clear coat. Just don't go out there scratching your paint if you end up buying this car just to impress your friends. It's just light scratches. You can easily find any variation of the G37 between the price of $7,000 and $9,500 with just under 100,000 miles on it. The fourth car on the list is the 2012 Hyundai Genesis. This is Hyundai's car that attempted to compete in the luxury category back when it came out, and it did pretty well, silencing those that thought Hyundai had no room to charge that much for a vehicle due to the economy car roots. It was directly inspired by the Lexus GS mentioned earlier in the video and the Infiniti M lineup. The Genesis has a bit of each competitor's car mixed into its style. The front end sort of resembles a Mercedes, the rear a BMW, and the interior dash sort of resembles those of a Jaguar. And let's not forget about the wings used on the badge, it resembles a Bentley. Non-car guys actually think it's a Bentley when they see it on the road. The cabin provides lots of space and can truly be considered a real 5-seater. You get great leg, knee, and headroom for both front and rear passengers. As far as practicality goes, you get a spacious trunk with 16 cubic feet of space. There are 3 engine variations available for the Genesis, but the one I'm referencing for under $10,000 is the base version 3.8 liter V6 that pushes 333 horsepower. But if you can somehow find the R-Spec edition for a good price, you'll get a 4.6 liter V8 that pushes 429 horsepower. But good luck with that. This car was an impressive value back when it came out, and now as well, since you're able to find them for as low as $7,800. Fifth and final car is the 2012 Lincoln MKZ, formerly known as the Ziffer. I think that's how you say it. It shares the same platform as the Ford Fusion, which was Motor Trend's 2010 car of the year. Many might question that Lincoln pretty much just took the Ford Fusion and overlaid minor changes to make the Lincoln MKZ a luxury car. But honestly, if Toyota can get away with making a Lexus out of a Camry, I don't see why Ford can't do the same with the Fusion. As far as the exterior goes, you either love the style or you hate it. The front end was inspired by the split-wing grille found in a 1941 Continental. From the side, it looks identical to a Fusion. In the rear, it kind of looks like anything. Some key standard features include Lincoln's premium 9-speaker sound system, cooled and heated seats, and leather interior. You get adequate trunk space, 15.8 cubic feet of space. When it comes to engine performance, you won't be disappointed. Similar to most cars on the list, you get a V6 engine. It produces 263 horsepower and 249 pound-feet of torque. While the exterior and the interior aren't necessarily mind-blowing as far as looks, you do get excellent reliability for a luxury vehicle. And the best part is that you can find a 2012 Lincoln MKZ for as low as $6,700 and as high as $9,000 with under 50,000 miles on it. Now that is quite the deal. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe for more automotive content. If you think I missed a luxury vehicle that should have made this list for less than $10,000, make sure and comment below. Let me know what that is. As always, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.